Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new map on the VIOMI S9 vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Xiaomi Home app, and then we're going to make sure that our VIOMI S9 is connected to the app. And once that's done, we can find this section right here with our vacuum cleaner and click on it. And then click on the three dots on the top right. So now we're in the settings of the vacuum cleaner, and here under map settings you can find the map list. So click on that, and here you can create a new map for your vacuum cleaner to use. So once you click on the create new map button, it's going to take you to this section right here, where once you click start, the vacuum robot is going to start cleaning normally, but it's going to be creating a map of the room on the way. So it's better to not touch the VIOMI itself, and it's also, you should allow it to complete the cleaning fully and return to its base. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.